Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best portable soldering iron? You've come to the right place. In this video, we've compiled the top 5 portable soldering irons just for you. Stick around until the end for a special surprise. Now let's dive in. Iroda Portable Soldering Iron. The Iroda Solder Pro 110K Portable Soldering Iron Kit takes the top spot with its versatile 4-in-1 functionality, making it an essential tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This cordless, self-igniting iron offers a power range of 30 to 165 watts, heating up rapidly in just 25 seconds. With a runtime of 115 minutes, it's ready for extended tasks. The kit includes 5 interchangeable tips, allowing for soldering, heat shrinking, and cutting applications. Precision flame and heat control ensure consistent performance. Housed in a portable case with essential accessories, the Iroda Solder Pro 110K is backed by Iroda's 30 years of experience, guaranteeing reliability and quality for all your soldering needs. Master Appliance Portable Soldering Iron. The Master Appliance Portable Soldering Iron is a highly versatile cordless tool, trusted by professionals worldwide for over 60 years. Equipped with ultra-tip soldering technology, it offers efficient soldering and precise wire connector shrinking. With heat output equivalent to a 20 to 80 watt electric soldering iron, it excels in a wide range of applications. This portable, lightweight iron is flameless, heats up in 30 seconds, and features an adjustable temperature lever. Powered by butane, it provides up to 2 hours of continuous use on a full tank. Backed by a USA family-owned company, it includes a limited 1-year warranty, ensuring reliability. ISO-tip Portable Soldering Iron. The ISO-tip Portable Soldering Iron combines convenience and performance in a compact, cordless design, ideal for electronic projects. Operating with power equivalent to 30 to 70 watts, it heats up within 20 seconds, offering quick and efficient soldering. The iron features a 30-minute fuel capacity and delivers precise soldering temperatures ranging from 410 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, with a torch function reaching up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. This all-inclusive kit includes a soldering tip and a protective cap, making it a reliable choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike who demand precision and portability in their soldering tasks. Power Probe Portable Soldering Iron. The Power Probe Portable Soldering Iron is a pen-style tool that delivers temperatures up to 930 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. Refillable and versatile, it uses standard butane fuel and features easy start electronic ignition. The adjustable flame control allows for precise soldering, brazing, fastener loosening, and more. This compact tool comes with a comprehensive kit including a solder tip, wedge tip, hot knife, heat shrink attachment, chisel tip, wrenches, sponge tray, and rosin core solder, all neatly organized in a case. Perfect for on-the-go applications, it combines convenience and functionality in a sleek design. Lenk Portable Soldering Iron. Rounding out our list is the Lenk Portable Soldering Iron, a versatile 3-in-1 tool that functions as a cordless soldering iron, a powerful blowtorch, and delivers the equivalent of 30 to 70 watts of electrical power. Fueled by butane, this iron heats up quickly to optimal temperatures, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Its sleek pencil-style design ensures easy handling and enhances convenience, providing both soldering precision and robust blowtorch capabilities. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the Lenk Portable Soldering Iron offers seamless functionality and portability, making it an essential addition to any tool collection. We hope this video helps you find the perfect portable soldering iron. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.